Yeah, what's going on, family? Just trying to give some people some time to come on in. You know, if you already in here, go ahead and share, you know, the link and stuff out to your folks. Let them know Crypto King live right now. About to get some knowledge going on, the knowledge game going on here on this Saturday night. Figure I'd try to come in, get a little live going on here on a Saturday night, simply because ain't no football gonna be going on right now. You know, I would imagine that it's a whole lot of people that's watching basketball. Yeah, man. So, but if y'all can hear me, you can hear me. Put a 1 in the chat. I want to make sure, you know, everything, all the sound and stuff is good. And yeah, let me turn the music down a little bit. You don't have to be up that loud, just in case. Alrighty. So yeah. All right. Thank you, Ebron. I see you. Thank you. So I can know y'all hear me and stuff like that. But yeah, man. You're just trying to run the live right now, get out some little bit of information, have a conversation with you, you know, right here on this Saturday night. Because, you know, I know tomorrow people's attention is not going to be on YouTube. That's for sure. Everybody in America, at least, you know, probably going to be sitting down somewhere watching the football games and stuff like that. So said, all right, well, let's just go on live here on Saturday night, you know, and then it's not a whole lot of people doing YouTube Saturday Night Lives, I noticed too. So another reason why I decided to choose to go on right now. But yeah, man, if y'all could go ahead and share, hit the like button for me. You know, let people know we on, and we'll get started here in a moment. But first, let me share my screen so that way you guys can see news commentary and everything that we're gonna do for today. But we'll start off right here with the change. This drive is something that I'm doing in my new city in Cartagena. There's a foundation there where they do two boys homes and a senior home actually. So, but actually next week you'll see the senior home in addition to the other boys home, which is this picture right here that y'all see right here. You know, so that episode will be coming out on Learn Crypto TV February the 4th. And you guys will get an opportunity to see, you know, what it is, what we trying to do on Learn Crypto TV here, champion and change, you know what I'm saying? So we can start right here. You know, the whole goal is to try to make sure that these kids have enough of the necessities to be able to make their lives, day-to-day lives, a little bit better. So that's the whole point. And we just want to help some people out. And then, you know, these are some of the young men that people run into when they have a problem down in Colombia, you know, because they out there trying to tag people to, you know, for necessity purposes. So if we try to help them out a bit, then, you know, we'll try to curb a little bit of those issues that a lot of people face when they come down here. So, you know, there's a donation. You have you see the GoFundMe page right there. You know, you can donate at your leisure. It'll be up for a while. So, yeah. Anyhow, moving right along, we're looking at the crypto market charts here. We see, you know, top 10 cryptos by market cap. You can see all the way down. Well, as far as the cryptos are concerned, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and Avalanche in the top 10 right now. So obviously we are here, CoinGecko. We like to use CoinGecko when we start off our research and stuff like that. So that's why we're here on this page. And this is what I try to get people to see, or get people to, when they get ready to do their own research, this is where you should come. You know, just showing you a little bit right here, XRP. So this here is one of those cryptos that a lot of people have been talking about lately. And, you know, a lot of people thought maybe the price was going to shoot out the roof or whatever because of the lawsuit, being able to win that lawsuit with the SEC or whatever, but it's not quite over with yet. But XRP is one of those cryptos that you definitely want to hold on to. This is a long-term hold crypto. This is not something that you're looking to make a quick buck overnight. But the reason why I'm here is because I'm just to show you a quick just rundown for those of whom who are new to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you know how we use CoinGecko over here. This would be able to take you right to the websites. You can see the wallets on a ledger, who own how many XRP, you know, all-time low, all-time high, along with the market cap. You know, definitely want to know what those numbers are and stuff like that too as well. So that's what we kind of use CoinGecko for. And cryptos, you know, you can definitely search them by categories as well. So if you want to go in and you want to look at a particular category of cryptos, then you would do that here, you know, and you can see where they broke them down. You didn't realize it was this many sectors in crypto, did you? Yeah, there's a lot of sectors in crypto, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see there's there's over 100 crypto sectors, over 100 crypto sectors. So you know, going all the way down, just so you can see, there's 169 crypto sectors. So that just gives you an idea right here. It's 12,000 coins within you know, these different within the different sector or whatever. So this here right here is a good tool, a good tool for you to use just in case you want to, you know, break it down, you know, to where you would be able to only focus on certain cryptos of your choice, like gaming, you know. So people are talking about this particular sector too, and gaming. And then now when you go in there, you can see all of the coins that'll be rated under there at the top. You know, I'm a holder of ICP, I'm a holder of Beam, Gala, you know, Engine. So, you know, a lot of these, I hear a lot of people talking about Vulcan Forged. I hear a lot of people talking about that. Nakamoto Games, I hear people talking about that one as well. Sweat Economy, they have a game within this application. I'm actually I have a show coming out talking about Sweat and Sweat Economy. This is a interactive tool designed to promote health. You can download this here right on your phone, and you earn sweat coins by simply doing something that you do every day, walking. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, this here is something, it's only a penny. It has a deflationary token, and it's designed to get tougher to gain a sweat token over time. So it's promoting the more you walk, you know, the more tokens you can earn. So this is something that I think, or I feel like everybody should have, because you walking anyway. And guess what? It's free. You know what I'm saying? You already know I promote free all the time, right? And it says Sweatcoin has reached the number one app in 60 countries. You know why? Because it's free, and you can earn crypto tokens just by using the app. Oh wow, Web 2 and Web 3. You know, and if you were so interested in to know about the token itself, then you know you can go to the white paper, right? You can yield farm sweat in the application or on refinance. They have an application for the Apple and App Store, as you can see. I'm just giving you a quick rundown about this here because this is something everybody should have, or everybody should be using. This model right here, what I was just telling y'all about, where it says sweat is minted solely by movement. So that means you won't be able to get this token without doing some type of physical activity. So the community has voted to introduce several mechanisms to increase the rate of inflation. So as you can see, over time, it will get harder. You know, you have to put in a lot of steps in order to get sweat. And here's a timeline right here, as you can see. Over time, it's get harder and harder to mint a sweat token. And that's good for the project. Now, can you imagine this particular, and it's built on NEAR protocol, the NEAR protocol, if y'all know anything about that blockchain right there. So, and here's a roadmap. So all this is in the light paper, man, all of this, right? So you have time to come back in and read it. You know, I could drop my link in the chat, you know, just in case you don't have this already, because you already know I already have it. Anything that's free, trust and believe, I know about it. You know, I have heard about it. This right here is a little game that you can play inside of the application. They just got out of the beta phase, It's real easy, you know, to use, and then you can earn sweat NFTs with these playing these games right here. So, you know, they have something in there to make it real cool for you. Basically, you're betting sweat tokens when you playing, you know, this particular game right here. So you definitely could do that. So they have something on there real cool and unique. But anyway, the utility of the project, like I said, is designed to get you up and moving, get you walking. So if you're a person that go to the gym and you like to get on the treadmill or the Stairmaster or something where you're moving your legs, then right here is perfect, because all you got to do is have your phone next to you and then start generating these sweat tokens. Most of y'all who go to the gym, you probably getting 10,000 steps in already. I know on the app right about now it's about 5,100 tokens to mint one sweat token. So if you're getting 10,000 steps in a day, then you minting 2 tokens every day if you do this on a consistent basis, right? So that's sweat. Let me show y'all something else that was free. You know what I'm saying? That people was laughing at me. You know what I mean? Or they didn't want to do it because they thought it was some BS, right? So the Pi network. This here is the free mining application that you had on your phone. You know what I'm saying? What's good, Mr. Cousins? I see you in the building. Long time, baby, long time. Yes, sir. I got something for you too. I want you to help me with if possible. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how long you've been in here, or whatever, but if it's something that if you still in here, I gotta do a fundraiser, you know, Champion and Change over in trying to help these boys' homes over in Colombia, you know. So if you can if you can squeeze that in somebody's ear over there at the church, you know what I'm saying, for all of the clothing donations, whatever donation, I'm taking anything. You know, if they gotta clean your closet out there or something where I could take these back over to these kids at the boys' home, it'll be perfect. You know what I'm saying? So this is the GoFundMe page. Talking for Mr. Jomo, you know, or whatever. But anyway, back to what I was saying. This Pi price, right? This was a free application on your phone. And when I was telling people about it back in I think I started doing this in 2021. Yeah, people was like, it's free. It ain't gonna never be nothing. And this, that, and the third, right? So I was like, well, hell, it's free. You know what I'm saying? It's free. So, like, what in the world? Why wouldn't you do it? It's free. It only takes like 10 seconds of your time. You know what I mean? For you to be able to do something. Yeah, I appreciate it, brother. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to let everybody know about the initiative, so you know, I can get as much help as possible. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you need me to get the GoFundMe page linked to you, I can do that too. But anyhow, as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and put that in the chat. Put this in the chat for so people can just be able to access it right away. Copy the link. So yeah, but anyway, people was like, all right, so the GoFundMe link is in the chat for you guys. But anyhow, this particular crypto project was free. It only takes 10 seconds to mine from your phone every day just to make sure it's mining for 24 hours, right? So if you started the mining session at 12 o'clock, then every 24 hours at 12 o'clock, you just have to redo the mining session. Well, little did I know that, you know, it had hit exchanges, you know what I'm saying, in 2022. I didn't realize the price of this token had came out and went all the way up to $307 a token in December 2022. The entire year of 2022, I didn't even mine this on my phone because I was moving around Colombia so much and I just wasn't thinking about it, you know. And I still have 7,800 tokens, right? So what does that mean, right? 7,800 tokens. I know y'all know how to do quick math. Y'all know how to do math. You know what I'm saying? So 7,800 tokens. I think I got a little bit more than that. 7,800 times $30.52. So That's how much of Pi token that I have in my wallet right now. Literally, $238,000 worth of a Pi token that I started mining on my phone in 2021 for free, and I didn't even mine for the entire year of 2022. Can you imagine how much my Pi tokens would be worth if I had mined it on my phone for that year, right? And I'm just telling y'all this because you ain't gonna get up to what I got fast, you know what I'm saying? But you still can download it and get a part of it and be a part of it. You know what I'm saying? I can put link it. Oh, I got a super chat in here. I see you here on Saturday night, about to learn something new. Brother Los and my chat room family, let's go. You got that right, brother. You always gonna learn something on Learn Crypto TV, man. I appreciate the super chat and I appreciate the shout out. Thank you for joining us here on this Saturday night, where you always gonna learn something up in here, man. Straight like that. But anyway, as you can see, this you have a YouTube.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
So I just wanted to play that for y'all real quick, just so y'all can see, what this project is about and stuff. And there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't have it. It's free, man. You know what I'm saying? Like super free. Got some more. Okay, my guy Quintessential is in the building. That's what I'm talking about. Salute, family. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's y'all talking to each other. Salute, family. Appreciate y'all showing up tonight in here. And let's go back to let's change the music a little bit. There we go. But anyway, so y'all see, mining crypto is hard. Investing in crypto is risky. Y'all just saw the video about it. And you see both of these projects I showed y'all, Sweat, Pi. I got them on my phone. I got both of these on my phone. Y'all should have them on y'all phone too. There's no reason why you shouldn't. Especially in the day and age that we live in with applications and such, there's no reason why we shouldn't be taking advantage of all the free opportunities it is that we have in crypto. And you know what I'm saying? And then, I want y'all to understand this, y'all still got the Brave browser, right? You still got the Brave browser. The Brave browser is another way you can earn crypto. I got my Brave browser set up on 4 different browsers. This is attached to my Gemini wallet, this particular one, and then I have my other one which I use more. That's attached to my Uphold wallet. So on my Uphold wallet is where most of my basic attention tokens for using this particular browser. That's where that goes. There's no reason why you shouldn't be taking advantage of all these free cryptos. I'm giving you 3 of them right here. The Brave browser, then you got Pi, and then you got Sweat. Let me give you another one. I'm saying there's a whole other one out here that you can be using. And this here goes into the narrative of DPN. If y'all didn't know what DPN is, that is decentralized physical network. Decentralized physical infrastructure network. That's what DPN stands for. If you check out one of my last edit videos, you can see that's labeled DPN. Then you'll be able to see exactly what that sector is talking about, right? And that right there, in my opinion, is going to be one of the sleeper sectors when the bull run actually get ready to kick off and start. Because nobody really knows about it. Nobody is talking about it, and stuff like that. That's number 1. Number 2, you know what I mean? Everything by being tokenized or getting ready to be tokenized is going to need some sort of an infrastructure. So this infrastructure that they talking about, the DPN infrastructure, is definitely what is going to help push, I guess, forward the I keep on forgetting that this Ntic token, they don't even have a token yet. You know what I'm saying? So you have to go to the DEX screener in order to be able to see the price of the token. It ain't even, you see it's 14 zeros and this wrap. But this is right here the what you will see. But let me go to the web page first so y'all can see that, because you won't be able to see because it's it hasn't created a token yet. It has an application, but it hasn't created a token yet. So let me put that back up here first. All right, there we go. And we don't want that. We definitely don't want that. Okay, yeah, family. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get to this one of the VPN cryptos, right? And there's a couple of them. There's, because you can use this. Those of whom who with the stuff that I'm showing you, y'all could definitely use this to start earning crypto. And I'm getting ready to show y'all something that hasn't even really made it fully out to the market yet, family. And right here, this particular one right here, the Ntic network, right? Detect, earn, and improve your city wherever you go. Ntic Drive allows you to earn with every drive, anywhere, anytime. I have this. I just started using this on my phone 3 days ago. You know what I'm saying? You minimal data usage, smart fraud detection, ways to earn. You earn while driving, earn when it's detecting, and with referrals. So those are the 3 ways that you earn. And then right now you're accumulating points, and then those points can be converted into the Ntic token once they have the Ntic token developed all the way and out, ready for circulation, right? So you can see here the earn points, early access. The sooner you join, the more you can earn. Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get an ad drop. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But here's some of the things, the use cases for this application. Like I was saying, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get ad drop because of the early uses of this particular token, but I would assume so, since it's just coming out. So again, they got a white paper right here that you can go check out. See what the project about. Again, I use this token myself. Use this application. I just started using it 3 days ago. Because like I said, anything that's free is for me. So I'm gonna try it out just to see what everything's about, and if I can earn off of it, I'm earning off of it. What y'all should be noticing and realizing right now is how crypto is being implemented in society and how it's going to change the world, man. It's already doing just that. I'm seeing some messages that came in. Let me get to that real quick. My guy say, I just finished my walk 30 minutes ago, also clocking Sweatcoin. That's what I'm talking about, quintessential. That you asked me for the other day about talking about it. I talk about it. I got a video coming out this week on Wednesday talking about Sweatcoin, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna go live one day while I'm actually walking outside to show people after the video comes out how to actually use it themselves. So I got that. I got you when you sent me that message. You know what I'm saying, what's going on, my friend? I see you there, my Jamaican friend. You know what I'm saying? I just got my SoFi card, but will they become crypto friendly? I imagine that all debit cards and credit cards are gonna be crypto friendly. I imagine all of them. Yes, sir. Get them likes up. Thank you, family. I appreciate it, because they are free. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, like I was saying, back to here, the Ntic network. It's another one that's called Hive Mapper. Okay, Hive Mapper. That's another one that you wanna that you can do. But you see, this right here, I guess I'm assuming that this AI technology is going to be based around trying to help people navigate, the drivers and stuff like that. So, but guess what? If you're a truck driver, a taxi driver, delivery driver, a tour guide, all of this stuff, if you just a regular driver, it only makes sense for you to have this app. So if you're a trucker and you listening to this live right now, you need to go ahead and download this application on your phone right now. There's no reason for you not to have it, because you're only going to be earning, while you're driving. But this is another crypto project that you guys, ought to know about. So again, I'm telling you, so I done gave y'all three different projects, 4 projects. I gave y'all basic attention token with the Brave browser. This particular browser, let me bring it over here again. With this browser, where you can earn Brave rewards right here just for using the browser, the same way you do as Google. So that's a free crypto. Ntic network, you literally can go download this on your phone right now. Literally right now, you can go download it on your phone. All right, and start earning points. So when they have the Ntic token, then you'll be able to get the Ntic token. The Pi network, easy mining on your phone. Mining Pi is free. It's free. All you need is an invitation from an existing trusted member. Oh, so y'all do need my invitation just in case. I'll make sure I drop these links in the chat here momentarily. And then the Sweat token. That is 4 different crypto projects that you can get involved in without using any of your money. 4. Okay? 4 different projects that you can get involved in without using any of your money. I'd like to thank y'all for hanging in here again. I just want to run this back one more time. Champion and change contributions are being accepted. You can go ahead and hit the link. The link is also inside the chat, family. So if you up to it, the Most High shows you, touch your nerve a little bit to be able to assist somebody, and go ahead and do that for me, man, by tapping on this GoFundMe link, and contributing to the initiative. So I appreciate you, family. I appreciate you. Anyhow, back to the show. So right here, what we doing is the Bitcoin chart. We got a Bitcoin chart. I was showing y'all last week how I read charts. So I only use 2 indicators when I'm reading the chart for Bitcoin, and I only trade Bitcoin and gold. Just so y'all know, I only do two trading of assets, Bitcoin and gold. I like how gold moves, and Bitcoin is the overall crypto market. So goes Bitcoin, so goes the rest of the market. So that's how I think about or look at different stuff right there. A couple of different ones. You say, what about DPIN? It's Ebron is DEPIN, and DPIN. Like I was saying, let's go do this real quick since you asked about it. And then if you didn't know about it, if you asking me what it was, then I'm just going right here to show you what you can do in order to be able to get an understanding of what DPIN is, or what the sector is within crypto, right? So videos right here. So you can get your DPIN fix right here. You know what I'm saying? I already have a video about it right here. Obviously a lot of people don't care about learning anything. You know what I'm saying? Only 47 people have seen it so far in 3 days, but it's okay. And the video is not super long. It's only 11 minutes long. So you can go right here on my channel and you can go deep in the future of crypto infrastructure and get a full explanation of what DPIN is. All right. So that's the channel. We already got something on there where we talk about it. Drunk Uncle Vic says, hello, I invested in Bitcoin Cash. What do you think of Bitcoin Cash? Well, Drunk Uncle Vic, I believe Bitcoin Cash, personally, I think that is going to be used for transactions. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin was actually, Litecoin is a fork of Bitcoin. I think Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash are going to be used transactionally. When the nitty gritty happens, those cryptos have been around since the inception of crypto, man, and they're not really going nowhere. And Litecoin quietly, more than likely, probably gonna have a run up during this next bull cycle that's getting ready to occur. So you might want to stash your little Litecoin behind if you can. Our dollar cost average $5 every other week or so into these projects. So but yeah, in Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin is what I'm talking about. So but I'm doing that because I anticipate a run up on the price. But overall, I think, to answer your question, is going to be used as transactional tokens or coins. So it's not a bad investment. No doubt, brother, no doubt. But anyway, like I was saying, back onto this chart. This right here is what you're looking at, is the Garian Channel. All right, Garian Channel. Just real briefly, if you just so you can see how the Garian Channel works. When it's red, obviously it's in the sell, it's selling. All right, and that's indicated by the bars here, right? I'm trying to get it to, flip. So you can see right here, I'm just explaining to y'all how to read this particular indicator, right? So with the Garian Channel, this middle line right here serves as basically the support or resistance in the Garian Channel. When this here breaks the support, right, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles that stay underneath the support line, then it'll flip. Usually when you see the flip, you'll see one of these type of Heiken Anashi candles. You know what I'm saying? Typically before or after, you'll see it, and then it'll flip, change, and then while it's up under this support line that has now turned into resistance, then it's going to be in selling pressure motion, as you can so well see, right? And then it makes its way up, and then in this particular price action example, you see it was riding the resistance line until it finally actually broke it, and then it stayed above, and then it created, like, again, one of these little doji candles right here, and then it flipped. So if you understand how to read the Garian Channel, the Garian Channel indicator, and you want it, and basically this Garian Channel indicator is for swing trading. All right, swing trading. So the swing trading is basically what I do, you know what I'm saying, and how I trade. And it's easy to read chart, and I like that. You just go to indicators here, and I got the fib, retracement and extension, Garian Channel, and stochastic RSI. Those are the ones, indicators that I use, but mainly the Fibonacci and the Garian Channel are the main two that I use. So now you saw on what day was this? Wednesday? No, actually Thursday at 6 o'clock in the morning, it flipped in Bitcoin, because if you was watching the price action for Bitcoin, it was all under 40,000. And if you look at the price action right there, it was at 39,600 when it flipped, and it's been in a buyer's zone or buyer's motion ever since. And now it's up in this Fibonacci chart, so it's gonna stay in a buy right now. It's up above this support line now, because it's support. When it's below its support, when it's above its resistance, meaning the line in the Garian Channel. All right. So now that it's up above here, so a lot of people, if you're a good trader, you made a lot of money right here. If you got in right here, you made a lot of money, man. That was a $3,000 difference in price. You know what I'm saying? And so people trade with leverage, man. If they had a lot of money sitting on this long position, they made a lot of money, man. Trust me. But anyway, so now you in the Fibonacci chart. And this Fibonacci chart right here, like I was telling y'all last time, 61850 is the golden zone. It pretty much goes there every single time. That's why I like this tool, because it's so accurate. So if you're gonna trade anything, you know what I'm saying, you can wait for it to come break back down below the 23.6, or get in it now and ride it up to about maybe, I don't know, 42.5. I would instead of take profit at 42.5 if I was to do something, if I got into it right now, because it's going to go into this, it's called the golden ratio or the golden zone. It's going to go in there. It's going to go there. Without a doubt, it's going in there. And see, and these are the types of things that you should, if you were a trader, you should know to be able to help you to become more profitable trader. So I just started back up because I've been basically watching the market and learning these indicators and tools and how to trade with them for about maybe 2 months, because I didn't want to put money into trading without understanding what I'm looking at. So February 1, I'm going to get back on the swing trading, because I probably won't trade every day. I get back on my swing trading and trade Bitcoin and gold. So this is something that y'all have to look forward to when you come on my lives. You can see the positions that I'm in. I use pocket options, by the way, in order to do my trading. And then, y'all can get a good thing, a good idea about, where to get in and where to get out if you wanted to take a position or a long or a short, of a long or a short. But anyway, so that's Bitcoin. As you can see, the current price sitting right around $42,000 right now, and I think it'll go up to about around $42,500 before we see a retracement back down. So, and we talking about back down around 41. So between 41,000, between 41.5 and 42.5 is where you're gonna see Bitcoin consolidating, right? Until it get ready to make another swing move right here, going to the upside or downside. Continuing up or moving down. All right. So that's the chart for Bitcoin. Another thing I wanted to show y'all today on the live. All right. Dex screener. This here is a screener for what I've been doing right now is trading meme coins in the Solana ecosystem. So Bunkcoin right now is one of those coins that I was looking at. We'll come back to it in a moment, but I just wanted to show y'all on this Dex screener, you can pretty much go to any one of these blockchains right here, any one of these blockchains, and you can see that there's a lot of blockchains. All right, a lot of blockchains, right? This is why a project like Polkadot is important, because Polkadot will allow these blockchains to bridge to one another, and you can send and receive cryptos across the blockchain, across these different blockchains on a project like Polkadot. That's why Polkadot is important. And I just gave y'all some game on why you should want to think about investing in Polkadot. So what are my views on the BlackRock ETF coin? Well, first of all, there is no BlackRock ETF coin, okay? It's a Bitcoin ETF. And a Bitcoin ETF is an exchange traded fund. That's what ETF stands for. And a Bitcoin ETF for BlackRock would include a basket of cryptos within that particular investment wheel. And I think that honestly, because now that we have the approval that happened 17 days ago, 2 weeks ago, that we have the approval, that now you're going to see more institutional money flowing into the space, which is now going to drive price action for whatever cryptos, particularly Bitcoin, because those institutions are seeing it as a store of value, and they have a lot of customers that's asking them for exposure to Bitcoin as an asset. And they will only trust doing it inside of an ETF. But that's what that is, and that's what I think about it. Salute, Stefano. I see you in the building. All these other comments, y'all talking to each other. All right. So there it is. But yeah, man, keep the questions coming while I'm explaining. I'm trying to get through my my outline of what I wanted to do, what I wanted to talk about today. Wasn't gonna plan on keeping y'all on here super long, just long enough to where I can get this information out to you and stuff like that. So y'all can kick it with me a couple minutes and stuff. But yeah. Anyhow, like I was saying, this Dex screener, I got it set on the Solana ecosystem right here. Solana ecosystem, you could trade on Orca, Radium, and Jupiter. All right. And here you see a lot of meme coins. These are all meme coins, stuff that don't mean nothing. You know what I'm saying? This basically is just printing money, it's making people rich, to be honest with you. And this is almost like making money out of thin air. So right now, the number 2 coin for the day if you wanted to come in and participate in trading in some of these meme coins, I suggest you know what you're doing before you do it. Jump in. But you most certainly can come here and read the chart. If you look over here, it's got $44,000 worth of liquidity locked. This project looked like it just came out. It just came out. It's not even, yeah, it's literally 4 hours old. Wait a minute. Let me put it on the hour chart. Yeah, man. This just came out today. 10 o'clock this morning. This particular project just came out today at 10 o'clock this morning. Well, meme coin, because it's not a project. 10 o'clock this morning, right? And it hasn't even made a move to the upside yet. This project has not even made a move to the upside yet. So right now, I'm probably finna get in this. I'm probably finna go get into this right quick. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a meme coin. This coin right here, you can make money off of by swinging to the upside. Right now, is somebody, you can see, if you look down here, you see buys. Hold on. Well, let me see how many sales it took place. 2 minutes ago. Oh yeah, people are still buying this. So people is in the heavy sell with this particular project. And people are spending $141, man. You know what I'm saying, to get a return. But you can see it right now. This happening in real time, 13 seconds, 15 seconds. So people selling and buying this meme coin right now, literally. That's why I like this deck screener, because if you in the trading meme coins and you wanted to make a quick flip, you can definitely do that right here. HASBU, you know what I'm saying, is the meme coin right here. And this meme coin has the potential to make it do upward movement up here, man. You know what I'm saying? Knock out a few of them zeros. Some people can make a couple $1,000s off of this, man, just based off of the amount of money that they put in. You can see right here, somebody just bought $187 worth for the token. And by the fact that I'm seeing all greens, the sentiment is buy for this particular project right now, because it's going to make a move probably overnight. And then you might wake up and have you could trade whatever you put in for 3 or 4 Solana. You see what I'm saying? See, just as fast as people is buying, they selling. So, you know, but anyway, this deck screener is definitely something you want to pay attention to. I'm going to keep my eye on this one right here. And let me go back to what I had of that Bunkfi, because I was trying to give y'all a meme coin that y'all might want to look at jumping in, because the run up has not occurred yet. Matter of fact, let me just go back, do the back. Bunkfi. Here we go. So you have to have a Phantom wallet. This Bunkfi came out on the 21st, so 6 days ago. So this meme coin is 6 days old. This was the original run up, and everybody who was in this token at the beginning, they dumped it and they got their profits. Now it's back at the level to where people can buy in and they can do one more run up. But you got to be in the token in order to be able to get the gains. You see, the last 3 buys were the last 3 transactions on this particular one was buys, all for basically $100. So, and this wallet probably, yeah, it's the same wallet. So somebody just spent $300 basically and got 6 million Bunkfi tokens. When this run up, you know what I'm saying, this brother can, whoever this person is, can make a lot of money on this particular meme coin. You know, I got a position in Bunkfi too. I'm just waiting on it to run up again so I can take my profit. But I've now learned how to trade these meme coins, and it's all because of this deck screener right here. All right, I see some more stuff that came in. What's up, MD? I see you in the house. Thank you for stopping by. What would be a sound investment? Ebon, what you mean? What would be a sound investment? What you talking about specifically? Do you know what cryptos are coming to GTA 6 and EA FC 24 video games? I don't, but I can imagine that you know, it's gonna be some type of native token. More than likely, it'll probably be something native to the game. They'll create their own coin. Maybe you could trade one of the more popular cryptos, maybe if they integrate it the right way. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? I'm not a gamer. You You know what I'm saying? Like that. So I wouldn't necessarily know or be able to answer that question accurately. All right. So, but anyway, this is Deck Screener, you know, and this here is to help you to trade meme coins. You know what I'm saying? To stay on top of the meme coin game if you're so interested in getting into that extremely risky part of crypto. All of crypto is risky, but meme coins are really risky. All right. Next up on the docket, Lido. All right, Lido is a card that helps you to transfer your money into the stablecoin USDC. As you can see, US dollar coin, euro coin, you know what I'm saying? It's already, you could take the Mexican peso, the Colombian peso, the British pound, or you know, any of those particular currencies, and turn it into this stablecoin crypto. And those of who like to travel throughout Latin America, this here is going to be something that you should consider, especially over in Europe as well. You can earn yield on your holdings within this particular application. I do have this. I haven't had an account for almost 2 years now. I have used it. You know, I actually just topped up my account. I sent some Colombian pesos to it, and it's converted it over into US dollar coin for me. So I do use it. And as you can see, here comes on. It's in Spanish, all right? So, you know, but you guys can take your phones on your Google Translate, put it up to the screen, and translate it. You know what I'm saying? So with the BlackRock, would it be a sound investment? That ETF? Yeah. But I wouldn't want BlackRock holding my Bitcoin. You know, I would want to custody and hold my own Bitcoin. That's just my preference. So, yes, if you like institutional custody of your Bitcoin. So, I don't know. I mean, the Bitcoin ETF for institutional adoption is good to me only because I know that it's going to bring more attention to the crypto space. You know, right now the market cap, what's the market cap overall for crypto? The crypto market cap. The total crypto market cap is almost $2 trillion. Almost $2 trillion for the total crypto market cap. So, man, I tell you what, $2 trillion right now, and we in the infancy. I got that number from right up here. $2 trillion and we in the infancy. I can see the market cap for crypto up in the 30 trillion, 40 trillion mark. You know what I'm saying? I can see that. So for institutional drive, yes, it's good to be in. So, but anyhow, this is Lido. As you can see, something that y'all want to keep on y'all radar. And this here is for the international traveler, especially those who travel throughout Latin America and in Europe. So you got also the next thing up. Why is cryptocurrency shaking up the banks? Because you can see crypto is shaking up the traditional banking. So here's an article that I ran into that I wanted to share with you guys. A couple of points in here. It says the disruption of traditional banking systems. So y'all can go check out this full video to listen to the comments. But basically, this here says one of the most exciting things about the shift in the financial ecosystem is the potential for greater financial inclusion, cheap cross-border transactions, and more efficient financial services. The thing that I got in here is greater financial inclusion, family. Greater financial inclusion. This right here is where you're going to have the opportunity to create more wealth for you and your family. All right. This is how, you know, some of this traditional banking is going to be disrupted. They want you to be flooded out of the market. They don't want you to know about this stuff. They have absolutely no interest in teaching you anything about this because they know that there's going to be a new wealth class. For those of who follow Learn Crypto TV and you're invested in the crypto market, you're that much more closer to being part of the 1%, the new 1%, right? Because everybody's not going to be able to be on this train. right? The power of decentralization. So crypto assets don't need an intermediary as the trust in place for distributed nature of the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies allow for peer-to-peer transactions without a middleman processing your payments. So this is another reason why it's going to disrupt the traditional banking system, crypto, because there's no need for you anymore. And this is another reason why you're seeing the institutions coming into this space, because they know that in order for them to continue to make money in the way that they have been, they have to be involved in the crypto space, because it's not the blockchain, the ledger is in place. It's just fine tuning and making sure that all of the assets, real world assets, are going to be on the blockchain, making sure that it's running smoothly. We talking about a financial sector that's been in place for a long time that has to be overhauled. So it's going to take some time. The financial system won't change overnight, but this is one of the reasons why they're changing it, to move the middleman out of the way. All right. And like I was just saying, it's challenging, banking norms, so a lot of this stuff you guys already know. Do you think the banks are ready to embrace cryptocurrencies? Well, guess what? They don't have a choice because of ISO 20022. They don't have a choice. They have to embrace it. It's already been put into place. But anyway, this here is just some place that you can go, learncrypto.com, to get, a knowledge base of stuff. You can come here. As y'all can see, I literally know where a lot of these tools are to be able to come and get my knowledge, man. Y'all can see why I'm so researched or so up on my knowledge, because there's places that you can go to get knowledge, man. We live in the information age, and there's no reason why you shouldn't have, some sort of working knowledge about crypto, because there's so many avenues that you can go to get the information. 8 lessons to help you getting to know how to learn crypto, right? And some of y'all guys are visual learners. They got a quiz that you can take, So anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with this. I'm just showing you other places that you can go in order to be able to have crypto knowledge or gain crypto knowledge. So we got some more comments. We read that one. They're looking to pour billions. No, they are going to pour billions, trillions. That's what's coming into the market. $2 trillion. Yeah, $2 trillion in the market right now, man. And it's gonna go way past that, I can promise you. Banks have been the middleman screwing us to people for, that's why they hold your transactions up for 7 days, because they looking for ways to be able to get money out your pocket, more money out of your pocket. And my man Drunk Uncle Vic says, for the beginner that wants to start investing in crypto, which apps should you start with? Well, I've been showing you this over here on Learn Crypto TV. We use CoinGecko as our main source for research. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko is what we use to start our research investments. I also do consultations, brother. So if you need, if you need someone to hold your hand, then I'd be more than willing to do that. You can hit me up at CryptoKingCarlos@gmail.com. I'll just put that on the screen. You can hit me up here, if you are interested in doing a consultation. I can tell you the, all of the pricings and stuff with how that works, meaning my consultations. But you want to start here. As far as purchasing is concerned, my new recommendation, all right, is for you to have the Uphold wallet, because the Uphold wallet has every crypto. You can buy every crypto that is ISO 20022 compliant. You can buy every crypto there. And that is what I would suggest for the beginner, as far as your as far as purchasing cryptos is concerned. So let me get the I'm gonna get this you know what, I can give you all of that. Just hit me up via email, brother, and I can get you that. So again, just to get started, go ahead and download CoinGecko. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and get you this right now. CoinGecko and Uphold. I'm gonna put the Uphold link inside the chat here, so that way you can go ahead and grab it and you can open up those accounts. Because like I was saying, you can get all the ISO cryptos on there, and then there's a few other cryptos that I would recommend for individuals to get as well. That's also in Uphold. So I think that it's a good crypto to have. Good crypto exchange to be a part of, and I feel like that it's easy to use, especially now that I've learned how to move those cryptos off the exchanges, off of that exchange. That's one reason why I didn't really talk about Uphold like that, because I didn't figure out how to get the cryptos off the exchange. But right now I'm getting ready to put the link inside the chat, so that way you can go ahead and grab that link. You got the Uphold wallet. All right. So if y'all in here and you're a first timer, matter of fact, you don't even have to be no first timer, man. You can be an any timer. Go ahead, use this link, sign up for the Uphold wallet. All right. And just so you know, you get $25 worth of Bitcoin by trading $200 worth of crypto here. All right. So that's the perk for using the link. All right, you can get some Bitcoin. You can take that Bitcoin and trade that for another crypto. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? You can use the Uphold link. As a matter of fact, while I'm doing all of this, I might as well get the sweat link and all of that stuff and put all of that in here because you need it. Sweatcoin. Yep. Let's go get this Sweatcoin, baby. We want to make sure that the Learn Crypto TV family have all of these tools that I've been talking about here today, readily accessible at your fingertips, man. Because like I was saying, there's absolutely no reason for any one individual to not have the Sweat wallet. There's no reason for you not to have it, because you walk every day. Everybody walks every single day. So therefore, everybody should have that as a part of, their daily crypto activity. Also, we're gonna get the Pi token. For those of them who y'all can get that Pi. All of these are free, ladies and gentlemen. Everything that I'm doing, everything that I'm putting in the chat right now is free. It only takes you effort. Effort to get into crypto. Only takes effort to get into crypto, baby. All right, so that's Sweatcoin. Next up, I got you. I'm gonna do the Pi token. The Pi token is coming up next. Well, I want to make sure that everybody gets this. You get the opportunity to get into some of these cryptos, and you can't say, "Well, CryptoKingCarlos, you didn't tell me about it. You didn't let me know." Nobody's gonna be able to tell me that. Nobody's gonna be able to tell me that, right? Because I spend a lot of time going through this stuff and making sure people know about it. So why hold it all in, right? All right, so oh no, we don't want that. Oh yeah, Mine Pi, there we go. I thought that was Mini Pepe. Mine Pi. So that's Pi, that's Sweatcoin. You got the Uphold wallet. I feel like I'm missing one. Oh yeah, I am. the Natics. Yep, the driving one. We're gonna put y'all all on everything that I talked about today on the channel, making sure you get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, I appreciate y'all coming on board with me today. You know what I'm saying? And kicking it with me, learning about these new cryptos and stuff like that. And like I said, I just want to make sure that everybody is able to have all of the opportunities that I have access to, right? All right. So this one here, the draft didn't come yet. Let's go. Wait for it to populate. All righty. And the last one is coming in here. The last link. All right, family. So y'all have all of the links of the things that we talked about in here today. All right. Everything's in here. So this is the drive application. All right. The drive application. You have that link. This is the Pi for you to mine your Pi. You have that link. Sweatcoin. You have that link. And the Uphold wallet. So what I'm going to do is what I inside the details of the I'll go ahead and make sure that I put these inside the description of the live, so that way you'll always be able to go back to it and have access to all of that. Oh yeah, and don't forget y'all got about the Brave browser. All right, there's no link for the Brave browser. There's no link for that. So you just have to go and download that for yourself, you know. But anyway, so the next thing, we almost done here. All right, Ntic Finance. All right, Ntic Finance is having a pre-sale. They're having a pre-sale for this particular project, right? This is opportunity for you to get in on the ground floor. Quintessential, I appreciate you, family, for the $5 super chat. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you're always gonna come to Learn Crypto TV, and you always gonna learn something here today. Yes, sir. But I appreciate you. Appreciate you again for the super chat, family. All right. Ntic Finance. Ntic Finance. All right. Oh, Drunk Uncle Vic just dropped something. Got it. Thanks. That's what I wanted to do. Drop about $200 to start learning and hopefully start earning. Hey, Drunk Uncle Vic. Hey, family. I just set you up, man. All you have to do, all right, is use those links for Uphold. Use the Uphold link. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you go in there and grab that before you get out of here. Or if you're still in here, just click on it right now. So that way you can go ahead and set up your account. You can set up your account while you're listening to me, right? And then once you have all that set up, right, then I can instruct you what cryptos to purchase inside of that application. All right. There's about 10 cryptos in there that you can purchase. You know what I'm saying? But since you'll do $200, I'm gonna tell you to do $50 and spread them across the 4 projects within that application. That's how I'll coach you up to use your purchase. But the Uphold wallet is what you want to jump on. Do that ASAP, and then, you know what I'm saying, got it dropped in there. But that's what I'm talking about, family. I'm glad I can help you. But anyhow, Ntic Finance, family, it's a pre-sale token. And as you can see, it says Ntic Finance innovates the way DeFi with a futuristic DeFi debit card, meaning a lot of people have questions about smart crypto payment gateway, AI-powered peer-to-peer lending. They have all of this. How am I going to buy crypto and spend it? How am I going to spend my crypto? Well, here you go, family. Here's your project right here. Ntic Finance. I was doing some recon. I'm actually going to try to jump in on this pre-sale too. You see how much money they done raised already. And this is the debit card for this particular project, right? Ntic Finance debit cards redefine the financial accessibility and security, offering anonymous transactions and no need for KYC or user privacy. That is the one key for this. That's why I'm promoting this, because a lot of people like to know or try to find out about projects in the utility. Well, here you go. This here project right here, the reason why I like it is because of the anonymous transaction, and you don't have to do KYC. And it works just like a regular debit card. I'm just waiting to see who is going to be the payment gateway, because the payment gateway is sort of like Visa, MasterCard, stuff like those, the payment gateways, right? So who are they going to be? Who is going to be the gateway that they are under is the question. They have a reward system here, as you can see. So, you know, gold, silver, diamond. And here goes other information about it. The DeFi debit cards prioritize your financial privacy with anonymous transactions, like we were just talking about. Seamlessly accept cryptocurrencies in your online business. So that means you'll be able to accept crypto payments, you know what I'm saying, with this card, because it's a peer-to-peer. That's what P2P means. AI-powered peer-to-peer lending. So that means you can create your smart contracts within the applications. If you like trading perpetual futures and options, they have that option as well. Also a wallet and a swap aggregator. A swap aggregator basically finds the best price when you're doing swaps on decentralized finance application. So real world crypto adoption. Retech Finance is committed to bridging the gap between crypto and real life utility. So this is what Retech is all about. Tokenomics, as you know, is very, very important for any particular project. If you want to check out that information is here. And also you can see the social media platforms, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, etc. So here's a project that I wanted to introduce to you, family, the Retech Finance. I think it's something that you definitely should consider. I'm certainly going to put a few dollars, maybe about $50 or so in the pre-sale, just to see what it does, and then go from there. But I think that this here is going to be something that could be very, very. Oh yeah, you can buy with a debit card too. So using these Ethereum or ERC20 USDT, just so you know. But anyway, yeah, I think that this here is probably going to have do a lot of things within the space, and that's why I wanted to let you guys know about it. All right, a couple of more things, and then we'll finish up. So right here, family, I wanted to tell you about the crypto project XDC. So the XDC network, all right, the XDC network, and Drunk Uncle Vic, this is one of the ones, all right, that I'm gonna be talking about for you purchasing, on the Uphold platform, XDC, because there's not a whole lot of platforms that you can get this particular cryptocurrency, this particular one. But Uphold is one that you can get in on. So you can jot this down. This is one of the ones that I'm going to suggest to you to purchase as a beginning investor in crypto. But anyhow, so you can see this is a hybrid blockchain. You can see the protocol is delegated by the proof of stake mechanism. You can see Ethereum and JP Morgan Quorum is allowing for this blockchain solution to solve real world business problems. So you can see right here where it says including ERP and Swift is replacing those legacy systems. It's ISO 20022 compliant, okay? And it's ready for the new messaging standards that will or have started revolutionizing the financial system. So XDC's network key characteristics, as you can see, I'm not going to talk over all of them, but one of the highlights is that it's low fees. It's near to zero transaction gas fees for transaction upon this network. And you can see the average of Ethereum, is between $10 and $20 most of the time. You have dang near zero fees, transaction fees with the XDC network. Well, Carlos, why in the world are you talking about the XDC network? Well, let's go find out. So in Korea, Celltrion partners with China's Wuzai XDC for joint development in ADC therapeutics. So this XDC is allowing the blockchain business, because we just read about businesses, right? Businesses, this is how it's revolutionizing. This here is for therapeutics within China or Korea. And XDC is the blockchain of choice for progression and development upon this in this industry, right? So it says that this joint venture between these two companies, you know, centered on the ADC's conjugates or whatever. So Celterion plans to accelerate the development of multiple ADC therapeutic pipelines through the collaboration with Wuzai, which is distinguished in the field of ADC CDMO based on its antibody development, right? So those of who know anything about biogenetics, you can see how important this here is to the crypto space, right? So because of this, XDC is going to play a crucial part in how this gets developed. XDC network also, and you can see the date. Today is the 27th. You can see down here in the corner, you can see XDC January 26th is one of the top assets in the accumulation zone. Okay, one of the top assets in the accumulation zone, XDC. And as you can see, another ISO 20022 compliant token, IOTA. Okay, IOTA, accumulation zone, decentralized exchange, gaming token, Ethereum name service. Haven't really quite figured that one out yet. Still working to try to figure that one out. Radium is an exchange that's used in the Solana blockchain that is very, very popular. And I think that Radium might be one of those sleeper decentralized exchanges. Okay. But anyway, I brought this here up to show you that XDC is in an accumulation zone. Right now, what that means is that you should be purchasing XDC. And trust me when I tell you, you don't want to be not into this token. Okay? You don't want to not be in this token. All right? Radium. Think about that one too, family. Radium. So, but anyhow, I see you drunk Uncle Vic taking notes. That's what I'm talking about, family. That's what you do on my show. You come around, get uplifting knowledge. And yeah. But anyway, man, we've been on here for 75 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Not going to take up too much more of your time on this Saturday night. It's 9:30. Just wanted to come in and drop some of this good old crypto knowledge on y'all. You know what I'm saying? On this Saturday night. We definitely going to do it again next week. I need y'all to stay tuned for tomorrow's program. Tomorrow we got a program coming up on Learn Crypto TV. It don't have nothing to do with crypto per se. It's just talking about what's going on in Cartagena right now. If you are a traveler, because my channel is somewhat of a travel channel too, because I live outside of the United States as well. So I like to highlight some of the things that I do outside of the United States on my channel. So you'll get a chance to see me and my beautiful wife tomorrow, walking around Central, showing y'all around different stuff and having a little general conversation with you about what's going on. So therefore, that's what you'll get a chance to see. It is about 30 minutes long, the video and stuff like that. So, man, I'll be in the comment section. So, you know what I mean? If you got questions and stuff on tomorrow's video, come on at 7:30. I'm pretty sure people ain't going to probably watch it until after those playoff games are over with. But either way, the time is set and I'm not changing it. So that's what that is. Let me see. I got a couple more comments that it came through. Just got the pre-sale. Thanks, Carlos. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm glad you was able to check that. Get to that quintessential. Yes, sir. Setting up my Uphold wallet now. Yes, sir, Jermaine. You definitely want to do that, man. You know what I mean? Get that Uphold wallet set up. Get you about $200 in there, man. So that way you can go ahead and start getting your crypto portfolio set up straight up. We got, yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man. I do this from the kindness of my heart, trying to get people set up. Again, is that uphold? I got those links in here. Up, that's the uphold link for those of whom just coming in. If you haven't, go ahead and grab that up, set that link up, throw you about $200 in there, so that way you can get the $20, $25 in free Bitcoin, as well as start getting your ISO crypto portfolio set up in this particular exchange. All right, that's the Sweatcoin link for you to be able to walk and get your Sweatcoins in. Y'all better ask Quintessential about it. He been jumping on that thing, man, getting them coins up, man. It's a free project. All you got to do is download the link, download the applications, and start getting your walk on more serious than you did before, because you earning crypto now while you doing it. All right, you got your mine, your Pi. All right, make sure you drop in, get your Pi tokens, download that onto your phone. All right. It only takes 10 to 15 seconds every 24 hours for you to make sure that this here is mining on your phone. And I think y'all saw how much per token. It was $30.25 per token. You know, I got 7,800 of them. And then you got the Ntic Drive network. If you're a driver, it's imperative that you have this, so that way you can start getting them points. And when they put the Ntic token, you could take those points, turn them into those tokens, and you never know, man. That token may be worth something. This is a get in at the ground floor project right now too. No reason why you shouldn't have it. Get in at the ground floor project as well. I gave y'all 4, and then don't forget about the Brave browser, family. Don't forget about the Brave browser. All right, do not forget about the Brave browser. All right, and I just want to end by showing y'all, you know, bringing the fundraiser back up. You know, then y'all know, because I'm really want to make sure that I follow through on what I told these kids, that we're gonna help, and I'm soliciting assistance from the Learn Crypto TV family in order to be able to help, amongst other people, you know, to be able to help realize philanthropy within Colombia, man, in my new city of Cartagena, Colombia. You know what I'm saying? Realizing this, man, you know, because if we not helping somebody, or we not pulling each other up, then what we doing this for? You know what I'm saying? We supposed to be helping people wherever we go, no matter what. So I got a couple other questions in here. Let me see. Jerman, I love the Uphold wallet. Super easy. Yes, sir. One question: where is a good place to transfer my $200 to buy checking account? All right, so what you can do, Drunk Uncle Vic, is you can attach whatever bank account you use right within the app. So like if you go inside the Uphold wallet, let me see. If you go inside the Uphold wallet, you can basically go to, I'm trying to talk you through it real quick. So it says, if you downloaded the app on your phone already, once you get in and you got everything set up, it's going to say buy crypto or fund account. All right. What you can do is fund account. So you can do instant buys via Google Pay, your debit or credit card, or ACH bank deposit. Right. So if you do it by ACH, you can set your bank up through Plaid. And then on Plaid, there's no fee. And you can do up to $2,500 a day where you could transfer. Debit card, credit cards, and Google Pay, they're instant payments, but there's a 4% fee for that. So ACH bank deposits or crypto transfers would be what I would choose. But crypto transfer, I would you just setting up, so that wouldn't really apply to you right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but that's how you would do it. Set your account up and then go to fund account, the fund account option, and that'll be able to help you be able to start your buying. All right, and hit me up on my email, man. Once you hit me up on my email, so I can get you the other cryptos to get you set up. I'm up 200 Sweatcoins since December. That's what I'm talking about, Quintessential. That means you've been getting it in, baby. You've been getting it in. And I'm proud of you. A base for my money to invest. A base What you mean by a base for your money to invest? What you mean, like a dollar cost average, meaning how much money you gonna invest every week? Is that what you mean? Can't beat free, family. Nope, you can't beat free with a stick, family. You can't beat free with a stick at all. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, listen, man, I gave y'all free. Pi Network free. You know what I'm saying? Pi Network free. There's the link. It's free. Pi Network is free. Ntic Network, free. If you a driver and all of us drives, why shouldn't you have this application? Why? No reason for you not to have it. You drive every day. Of everybody who live in America and you go to work, you driving all the time, right? Free. Sweat. Free, family. Free. Free. Uphold. This here for drunk Uncle Vic right here, man. This for drunk Uncle Vic. I forgot I could have been showing you this right now. I'm opening up Uphold. That's what I'm doing. That's what's going on. So you can see, so I can get you tightened up on how to purchase. You say, what do we put into GoFundMe? And you can quintessential, you can invest whatever it is that you want to, you can donate whatever it is that you want to donate into that. That's just an initiative what I'm doing to help out. I'm trying to give back, helping out the boys' homes in Cartagena, man. So you can donate whatever it is that you want to donate. I got a gold there. You know what I'm saying? I got a $6,000 gold that I want to do. But you know, anything. Oh yeah, I see. Oh yeah, you just did it. I just see the email just came through. I appreciate you, Quintessential. Thank you very much. I just saw it come through. Thank you. So drunk Uncle Vic, this for you, man. I'm opening up this. Oh yeah, and you want a multi-factor authentication your account, so that way can't nobody come get you. They gotta go through multiple steps in order to be able to get to your stuff. So, but anyway. All right. So the last time I opened up my account, you saw that I had more money in here. I haven't figured out where I wanted to put my Casper yet. I mean my Casper. I got Casper and Casper. You know what I'm saying? I got this for free. This one they sent me 100 Casper for free because I did the they like Coinbase, the learn and earn. That's what they call Coinbase. They do learn and earn. But anyway, drunk Uncle Vic, this is what Uphold looks like, right? And so when you get ready to, it says if you want to fund your account, let me see, more. You can go to more, and then you can link your accounts right here. All right, linked accounts. So you can see I got my Capital One account linked to it and stuff like that. So when I wanna purchase something. So that's basically how you would do that on the Uphold, and I'm just showing you how to Uphold chains. And y'all can see withdrew my Constellation, withdrew my XDC. Get it off the exchange. You don't want none of this stuff sitting on the exchanges, man. I'm saying have good habits. I'm gonna get my Casper up. Oh, I'm gonna get both of those up. I just gotta figure out where I wanna put my Casper. I'm saying I gotta figure out what wallet I can house it in if I got it already, and then buy it that way. But also they have Uphold has a wallet itself. Uphold has a wallet called Vault. It's called Vault. So, but yeah, drunk Uncle Vid, if you can see Algorand, Constellation, Quorium, Casper, H-Bar, Quant, Stellar, XDC, XRP. All of those will be ones that I'm going to be telling you to get. You see Sweat Economy. Y'all see Sweat. I was just telling y'all, it's free. It's free. And you see it right in, you can get it right in Uphold. Sweat is not the same. You see the logo, Sweat. Sweat. Yeah. You can go buy. You can buy the token too and be lazy if you just didn't want to walk. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to walk. But yeah, let me see. My base money are currently in PayPal. You mean? Oh, you mean to link? I think you can link your account to pay. I think you can link your PayPal account to Uphold. Yeah, you should be able to link the Uphold PayPal account to Uphold. That shouldn't be an issue either. If not, just send the money to it. You can just send it. Right? Quintessential for sure. I've been blocked for 2 exchanges. Coinbase. I forgot the other one. Okay. Oh yeah. Like I was saying, I just saw that. Quintessential. I appreciate the donation. I really do. Thank you. So yeah, family. So, but anyway, this is Uphold. You can select the source. You know what I'm saying? You know, you can do it from your card. Your drunk Uncle Vic, I don't know if you're still on here, but for an example, right here, you can see you can put your card number in for it says it should support Visa or MasterCard with a secure protection program. So if your PayPal account has the Visa or MasterCard, what I think is Visa, I'm saying I want to say PayPal because I got one too, a business account. And then, you know, you can buy it just by putting your Visa card or MasterCard numbers. As you can see, we only support Visa and MasterCards. So you can use whatever card right here in order to be able to fund your account and send money to your Uphold wallet. So yeah, family, y'all see it, man. You know what I mean? And all here, we've got you. Oh, okay, just so you see it, invite friends. It says, oh, your friends should sign up using your link, verify account, deposit money in bank, $250, and then you get $200 worth of Bitcoin in your wallet. So that's the Refer and Earn program. 65-day cooldown gone. You can do Google Pay like I was just telling you about that. Instant withdrawals, instant US withdrawals. We already talked about that. Fully reserved, we got you covered. Whatever this is, Uphold is different. And then you got, make sure that you know you set your account up with the multi-factor authentication. But anyway, this is Uphold, family. This is what I wanted to show y'all about this particular wallet. So now you know. Now you know. Anyway, my guy said he got it. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Glad that I was able to help you. Glad that I was able to help. All right, so family, so there you go. There we have it, man. So we right at a minute, right at 90 minutes, man. Right at 90 minutes. All right, family. So we're going to go ahead and shut down the program at this point in time. I'm glad that you guys are able to come on, kick it with me today. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, hopefully you learned something. We got a couple people that got in on the Uphold deal today. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad y'all, Uphold people. Make sure y'all drop them $250 on there as an investment so that way you can go ahead and get your $20 in Bitcoin too. All right. But anyway, you got those joints going right there, and you got the information. I'm glad. Hopefully it helped. Got those few links in there. Like I said, you'll be able to go back into the description and grab those links from this live, so that way you always be able to go back if you wasn't able to do it on this program, and that'll be that. So again, man, I appreciate y'all stopping in. We're gonna end the stream. We'll see y'all next week, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow 7:30 for the next episode on Learn Crypto TV. Until then, ciao.